Hi, everybody. My name is Adam Wickert, and welcome to The Writer Within. As you probably gathered from this video, I'm actually your instructor for this course. Um, the previous video was created by Tom Frederick, who created this course essentially, and I have had the pleasure to take over for him. I just wanted to take this chance to just introduce myself a little bit to you and tell you a little bit about myself and what brings me to Union. So, as I said, my name is Adam Wickert, and I've actually been teaching in college settings since 2013. I've taught at a number of different colleges throughout the country: University of Cincinnati, Cincinnati State Technical and Community College. I currently teach at Clackamas Community College here in Clackamas County, which is just outside of Portland, Oregon, and I teach a wide variety of courses there. I just started teaching the Writer Within course here at Union, but I'm not new to Union Institute. In fact, some of you I've already met before through the Writing Center here at Union. I work at the Writing Center, and although I will not be able to be a tutor for you for this class, I hope that having just a little bit of knowing that I do that and that I'm familiar from that space might also might make you feel a little bit more welcome in the course, and know that fully well that you've got somebody who is very well versed with the resources of the college. I've been at Union since 2016, and I very much appreciate all of the hard work that you guys put in between managing classes, managing your full-time jobs, and perhaps also managing a family. Besides teaching, I also have and teaching here at Union and teaching at my current college, Clackamas Community College. I also have been married since 2015, and my son Daniel was born in December of 2016, so he'll be turning 6 at the end of this year, and so I keep pretty busy with him as well. Throughout the term, and 8 weeks is a very fast term. You'll be getting feedback from me on your writing through a wide variety of ways. I'll be leaving feedback for you in written form, yes, but I will also be leaving feedback for you on occasion through videos just like this one. If you are looking for a video program, and we do have video forums throughout the term, I will one that I would highly recommend that you look into is what I'm currently using, which is called Screencast-O-Matic. And I will, from time to time, I will record videos on that. And then it's actually a very simple process to upload videos either to your YouTube channel, or you can actually even just upload it to an account that you have there. My email address is on about the instructor stuff, and it's also on the syllabus. So feel free to email me anytime if you have questions, and just know that I'll reply to you. I try to reply to everybody within 24 hours of getting an email, but I try to be as quick as possible. And if you want to send me an email asking for further, information about that Screencast-O-Matic, I'm happy to give you that info as well. But I'll be posting the link to that as well on the course syllabus. So that's one tool that you're welcome to use, and I will be using it throughout the term as well. This is a course that I'm very excited to be teaching. We're going to be doing a lot of writing in this class that's in more of a personal nature, and then we'll be working our way towards what's more commonly referred to as academic writing by the end of the term. So I hope that you enjoyed this experience. If you're worried, you're nervous about this class, you're nervous about writing, you're nervous about just being, many of you, I know this is your first class, some of you it's not, but even just writing anything, please know that you have a friendly face on the other side that is here to help, and I'm really excited to be working with all of y'all. I hope you have a great day, and thank you. Bye.